Hi everyone, I've got this absolutely fantastic opportunity to show you this amazing 3-bedroom terrace property situated on Langton Street in Salford, which is coming to the market chain free, situated close to lots of local amenities, transport links and fantastic schools, transport links taking you into Manchester city centre, Salford Quays and other surrounding areas. So coming through, we've got 2 large reception spaces here, got some storage just there as well under the stairs, great space here, perfect for families or for entertaining. And then here we have this absolutely fantastic kitchen, nice and spacious to the rear here, mixture of wall and base units, room for kind of washers, white goods, and then coming through here to the back, we've got an enclosed rear yard. Nice little space out here as well. And then coming back through the property, we've got 2 more floors. We are situated and spaced out over 3 floors. First floor consists of 2 double bedrooms and this amazing family bathroom suite. Very good size in here. Lots of natural light. Got a nice big bath there as well. And then again, 2 generous sized bedrooms. Very good sized double, which is at the back of the property. And then going through the front, we've got our master bedroom, which again is an absolutely fantastic size. Very spacious. Again, a perfect first time home, family home, lots of space. We are laid over 3 floors and again are in a fantastic area. Another great thing about this property again is that it is coming to the market chain free. And then just at the top floor here is our 3rd and final bedroom, which is located at the back of the property. There is space just over here to go through. Some of the neighbours have turned it into a 4-bedroom or to create further storage just next to this room. So again, we're coming to the market chain free on this property, Langton Street in Salford. If you would like a viewing, please call the office on 0161 707 4900.